Meaning of Gothic novel.
Gothic novel.
Gothic novel.
Gothic novel.
Gothic novel. The Gothic novel is a genre of literature that arose in the late 18th century. It typically involves elements of horror, suspense, and supernatural occurrences, often set in gloomy, atmospheric locations such as castles or ruined abbeys. The genre is characterized by complex plots involving mysterious secrets, haunted characters, and eerie occurrences. Some of the most famous works in the Gothic tradition include Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, Horace Walpole's The Castle of Otranto, and Bram Stoker's Dracula. The Gothic novel remains a popular genre, often featuring in film and television adaptations.